Hello friends, we are going to look at the GoPro HERO9 Floaty case. This is the case that actually goes around the HERO9 GoPro. This is super cool because earlier models used the Floaty backpack, such as the Hero 4. You would put the Hero 4 into the super suit and the Floaty backpack would be on the back door. Same went with the Hero 5. The Hero 5 would go in the super suit or in the frame case, and then the floaty backpack would attach to either or so that it would float. Now, while that does work, it's super bulky and doesn't provide much additional padding protection either, which the new Floaty does both. So let's check it out. So there it is. It's a lot bigger than you might expect and a lot firmer too. This goes over the HERO9, so the HERO9 just presses into it. You can actually feel it click into place. It's a very firm, snug fit. And you'll notice it's quite big, but the good thing is it provides additional protection from the water to your battery door, additional protection from impact, and of course it floats. Previous GoPros would go inside the super suit in order to have the floaty backpack. Or you could put the Hero in the frame and attach the floaty backdoor to a solid backdoor that gives you the floaty backpack. Now this doesn't provide the extra protection that the super suit does, but the Hero 5 is supposed to be waterproof, meaning you can put the frame on it and the floaty and be safe. One of the huge benefits of this floaty is that you don't lose access to your touchscreen. You have these previous floaty backpacks cover your touchscreen, so you can't use your touchscreen anymore. The new floaty gives you access to the back and the front, and of course you have mounts for your tripod built right into the bottom of your GoPro HERO9, which the floaty gives you access to. On the left side, you'll notice there's also an attachment for a lanyard, and on the other side you can access your mode button. However, there is one thing to note about this floaty case. It covers the new HERO9 mic drain. The HERO9's mic is right here, and one of the new features of the 9 is this little latch on the side here that looks like a latch but isn't. In fact, it is a mic drain, and the HERO9 covers it. Here it is. This is the HERO9 mic drain. So water gets into this mic, and when you take it out of the water, it drains quickly out of this little sucker so that your sound isn't screwed up. One of the things you will notice is when you stick it into the HERO9 case, that drain is completely covered. Curious how that affects the functionality of that drain and the quality of the mic when using it in water with this floaty backpack attached. So it's a very sleek, useful, if somewhat bulky attachment that I like a lot, and I think it's going to get a lot of use when I'm out in lakes and oceans.